Dear students, in the previous lesson we have already discussed about different phases of menstrual cycle. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about the estrous cycle. Estrous cycle is the female reproductive cycle of the non-primates like horses, pigs, mice and many others. This cycle consists of definite sequence of events, both physiological and behavioral. The length of the estrous cycle varies in different species of non-primate animals. In case of cow, it is approximately of 21 days, whereas in ewe, it is approximately of 17 days. Like menstrual cycle, estrous cycle also starts at puberty. It is absent only during pregnancy or if any reproductive diseases occur or if any kind of hormonal disorder occurs. Here there is a list of average reproductive cycles of different species of non-primate animals. Now, animals can be classified into different types depending upon the occurrence of the estrous cycle per year. In animals like cattle, pigs, rats, mice, where the estrous cycle occurs throughout the year, they are known as polyestrous animals. Whereas animals like horses, sheep, goat, cats, deer, they have multiple estrous cycles but only during certain periods of the year. They are known as seasonally polyestrous animals. On the other hand, animals like dogs, wolves, foxes, they have only one estrous cycle per year. They are known as monoestrous animals. Now, estrous cycle is divided into four important phases: proestrous, estrous, metestrous and diestrous. We are going to talk about this in detail. In the proestrous phase, there is regression of corpus luteum. This results in the decreased level of progesterone hormone in the blood. In this phase, the pre-ovulatory follicles also undergoes its final growth phase. Thus, there is an increase in the level of estradiol hormone in the blood. The next phase is the estrous phase. Ovulation occurs during this period. At this time, high amount of estrogen is present in the blood. This period is also known as period of heat. That means in this period, the females are sexually receptive, giving signals that they are ready for mating. In case of non-primates, in the estrous phase of the estrous cycle, ovulation may occur in two ways. One is spontaneous ovulation, another one is the induced ovulation. In animals like rats, mice, guinea pig, monkeys, ovulation takes place in a spontaneous manner, irrespective of any kind of external stimulus. In other words, ovulation does not depend upon whether copulation is taking place or not. This type of ovulation is known as spontaneous ovulation. On the other hand, in case of cats, rabbits, ferrets, camels, ovulation takes place only when there is a presence of external stimulus, that means when copulation occurs. Otherwise, ovulation will not occur in the estrous phase for these animals. This type of ovulation is known as induced ovulation, where external stimulus is very much required for ovulation to occur. So, the proestrous phase and the estrous phase comprise the follicular phase. The next phase is the metestrous phase. This phase is characterized by the activity